Welcome back. Well, the market's seeing another leg down, and this time it's mainly because of the Bank Nifty, which is now down about 1.4%. 40,626 is what you have on the Bank Nifty. It's sort of tried to reclaim its support mark of 10-day exponential moving average, has slipped from there once again. The 20-day exponential moving average is 40,200. So let's see if in the due course it has to make a move there. For now, let's go across to Nimesh for D-Street Chatter. He's going to tell us what he's picked up from his conversation with dealers. Nimesh, good afternoon. Tell us.
Hi, Anuj. Afternoon. So, in terms of markets, it's been a sharp recovery from the intraday lows. But again, today is not backed by institutional activity, so the volumes are going to be quite muted, is what I understand. In terms of sectors, FMCG continues to hog the limelight. Good amount of buying interest is back, and that's been the trend for the last many days, and that continues in today's trade as well. The other sector which will be important to watch out would be the IT sector. The Accenture numbers will be out today evening. And generally, the Indian IT stocks do react to the Accenture earnings as well as the commentary. So that's something to watch out for. There is a bit of buying back in some of the select IT names of late, and that continues in today's trade as well. Technically, I guess the next level to watch is 17,800 on the upside. If that's taken out, the feedback is you'll see further short covering rally in the Indian markets. The short point is we've recovered sharply from the intraday lows, but today there is lack of institutional support. The volumes are on the lower side by the larger institutions.
All right. Nimesh, what about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
So, Nigel, in terms of individual names, the first stock is Tata Chemicals. A big move in that stock on back of very strong volumes. There is a bit of buying interest back. And the other feedback is the management commentary at the Motilal conference was quite strong. And they were quite confident about margins to improve further from here, and hence a bit of uptake in that particular stock in today's stage. So that's the first one. The second stock is Tilak Nagar Industries, a small stock within the beverage space. Surprisingly, this is one stock where there is a lot of buying interest in today's trade by the larger institutions. So the delivery volumes are expected to be quite high in Tilak Nagar today. So that's the second one. The third stock is Piramal Enterprises. Ever since the stock got separated post the demerger of the pharma businesses, that stock has been falling down 10% from those levels. Now, at these levels, there is a bit of interest back in this particular stock. I believe a couple of long-only funds have started, inquiring and buying some small lots of Piramal Enterprises. So that's the third one. And the last stock is Coal India, almost at 52-week highs, a bit under pressure today. And there is a big, chatter and concerns about OFS from government coming very soon. And hence, that stock is under pressure today.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, thanks very much for that. So, as always, interesting list, and we'll keep track.